From stormy weather to sweater weather, I'm meteorologist Joe Martucci, and let's take a look at our Monday by the numbers here. We had plenty of storms to go around, plenty of rain, and yes, even a tornado warning. We had tornado warnings in the state on Monday, and that brings us to 12 tornado warnings this year. That's the third most since 1986. We had 8 tornado watches in New Jersey this year, including one on Monday where we were in the watch for about 6 hours here, and one of those hours did bring a tornado warning in western Cumberland as well as Salem counties, but thankfully there were no tornadoes reported on the ground. Still, regardless of the tornadoes, it was still a windy day here in the area. Beach Haven got up to 63 with a gust. Strathmere got up to 61. Many places were at least 45 miles an hour as we went throughout our Monday here from the southerly direction. But that will change. Yes, it will be windy, but winds will be a colder wind, and that's quite fitting for Tuesday, which is the start of climatological winter, our coldest 3 months of the year on average. These are our average highs and lows, 51 for our high, 33 for our low. Record high is still in the 70s. We can still crack a 70 this time of year, but it is awfully tough to do so. 6 was our record low back in 1967. I don't think any of us are ready for that just yet. This will be a 7 a.m. sunrise for us at ACY. We ended our pre-7 a.m. sunrises again on Monday, and we'll keep climbing towards our latest sunrise of the year, which is just around 7:20, and precipitation frequency is about 1 in 4 years. Will we see any precipitation today? The answer is most likely not. We are dry here on our future model, but we do have a lot of snow and rain in the area, and even if it's a snow shower that breaks loose, it'll turn into a rain shower. It could bring us a couple of drops throughout the day on our Tuesday, but I believe by and large we are going to be dry. Winds will be from the west-southwest, turning to the west throughout the day. Notice the wind still here in Atlantic City in the 20s, even in Cape May in the 20s as well. So a very strong wind blowing along the shore here, and even on the mainland, it'll be breezy here. As we start off our Tuesday morning, temperatures will be in the mid-40s, and they don't really budge all that much throughout the day. Even though we have a west-southwesterly wind and it turns westerly, it's actually a cold wind that's blowing, drawing in from all that snow that's in the Midwest. So high temperatures for today only climb a couple of degrees above where our low temperatures will be. That's just around 50 for everywhere here in South Jersey. Still, that's actually a seasonable day for early December. For our daytime planner, I have some yellow colors here, and that's just because of the winds. Winds will be strong, so it will be uncomfortable to be outside, but it's still a dry day, and as long as you don't mind the wind, you will be okay. Here's a look at our mainland 7-day forecast. We're going to bottom out with our temperatures on Wednesday. Highs should only be in the mid-40s, and we do have that wind blowing. Then we get into the upper 20s for our lows on our Wednesday night, and then we slowly climb as we go into the rest of the week. We should be in the mid-50s for Friday as we have thickening clouds, and eventually as we go into Saturday and Sunday, there will be a storm system around. I don't believe both days will be wet, but one of the 2 days will at least have some rain here. And if you're looking for snow, I will say there's about a 1 in 5 shot we see a couple of snowflakes on the mainland with this storm. But again, 1 in 5 shot. More than likely, we're not talking about snow. Coming up later today, we're going to talk to you more about the end of hurricane season. That happened on Monday. We'll also tell you the latest forecast ahead. You can follow me on social media for the latest, or you can subscribe to my newsletter at thepressofac.com/weather.